All right, here is another free funnel for you. This time it is a meditation journal with 50 guided prompts and a great introduction into how to use it. All you need to do is add this funnel to your Noomu account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free to try us for 14 days. And once they sign up, they will be taken to a thank you page. They'll be able to download the free guide, and they will also get an automated welcome email. So let me show you how to add this to your Noomu account and how you can get started for free. And so once you have the funnel link, you just enter it into your browser and you will be prompted to either set up your new account. And again, you can try us free for 14 days, see how it works for you. And we release these new free funnels each week. So you'll have more that you can add to your site as we go along. Well, if you already have an account, be sure to log in. And there is one important part that I tell you every time, but I have to tell you each time because a lot of people miss this. When it says select a project, it asks you if you want to add it to a new project or add it to an existing project. Now, you want to add it to an existing project because that's where your billing plan is. You don't want to add it separately or it's going to be completely separate from your dashboard. So, existing project. And once we're in here, you see now we have the sign up page. And if we look at our pages on the left, we have the thank you page as well. And if we go under messaging of workflows, which we'll look at shortly, you'll see the automated welcome message. Now, this can stay as a separate funnel in your account, or you can add it into your website. Now, just a note, if you add it into your website, it's going to pick up the colors from your website, and then you will need to rebuild the welcome email as that doesn't transfer over. But if you keep it as a separate funnel, it's here, then that works. But you can move it into your website by clicking the gear icon and you put move to website in this project and you'll find your website. So I'll just walk through the pages and the message and let you know the minimum amount of things you need to edit. Obviously, you can change anything you want about this, the text and things like that. You can also grab the source files for the journal in this 20 pack of lead magnets that we have for you with private label rights. If you follow this link, it will take you to be able to buy those and then you can add your branding to the journal. But if your subscribers sign up now, will get that download. That's just if you want to add your branding, grab a bunch of different valuable lead magnets, and you can start off with the way it is. All right, the forms are actually totally ready to go, but I'll take a quick peek at them so that you understand and remember that there are two opt-in forms here. So if you update one, you'll need to update both. But let's just look at the settings. And you can see it says it's going to notify you on new submission. You can turn that off if you want. It's going to go to a page and it's going to go to the thank you and download page. So that's already set up. It's also connected to a free meditation journal list, and your subscribers are going to be tagged with free meditation journal. So it's fully ready to go, but you can change anything you want there. The only things you need to change here are once you're done, you can delete this part. This is just a note to you about the 20 lead magnets that you can get. And you will need to also update this section. It introduces you. Obviously, you want this to sure this reflects on you. You may want to also change this to your own photo. And you just click on the image, you go edit image, and you can upload a new file from there. And that's all that needs to be changed on the main page. So let's take a quick peek at the thank you page. It's also ready to go. And the link you can see when you go click on the button and you check link, you can see that it's going to download that meditation journal. And if you decide to grab it and modify it yourself, all you do is you can link to any file on Noomu. You just go file here and you will upload your file just like you upload images. So you can easily update that. And it's very handy. You can just do it all in one go. And there is space here that you want, if you want to promote your product or service, you can add different widgets. You can add a whole block, which there are different design elements that you can add there so that if you want to make a nice promotion for your product or an upsell of some kind, if you don't want this, just go ahead and delete it and you can always add it later. So that's the thank you page. The only thing here to change here is this part here if you would like to add a promotion or remove it. And then you would go into your messaging and workflows. And again, this is if you keep it as a separate funnel. If you go under automations, you will see there is an automation here for the free meditation journal. And when you're ready to go, you just need to turn it on and off. If you are using Noomu already, you may have verified your domain for email sending. If you haven't, you'll have to do that under the settings here, and then you'll be able to turn on your automation. But there is a step-by-step help for you there for that. So when I click this, you can see it has a trigger free meditation journal, which means when they get that tag, when they sign up, this is going to trigger this automation. And there is an email that is pre-written. And so the link is already ready to go. You can see it goes to that download, and you can add your name in, change whatever you like, different tips, promote your product. You can also change this little logo at the top. All you do is click on it, and you would click this. And again, you can upload from there easily. And that's basically it. Then you would hit save, and you'll be ready to roll. All you need to do is grab the link to the funnel in the video description, and it'll walk you through that process I just showed you. If you need any help or have questions, there's always this little help icon in the bottom left, and you'll be directed to our community where you can see other help files. You can actually look for our other free weekly funnels. You can sign up for our free weekly live support sessions where we actually do things on screen with you. And also you can get help anytime you want via email as a Noomu subscriber. And we can't wait to see you grow your list.